So what you can also do is utilize ChatGPT to simplify complex information. So for example, over here you can see that I have this particular page right here about ChatGPT. So let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and copy this out right here. So let me just copy this out, and then I'm going to paste this content right here just like this. And what I'm going to go around and say is simplify this simplify these information into a 40-word sentence right here just like this. So I'm just going to go around and do that and press enter. So once I do that, what happens is that it analyzes the information right here and gives a summary of this, as you can see right here. Let me just go around onto new chat, and I can also write this as a multi-prompt. So I'm going to go around and say whatever information I give in the next message, simplify it in 60 words or less. So let's just go around and do that. So this is what I have. So I'm just going to go around over here just like this and press enter. Then it'll say like, sure, go ahead and provide the information that you'd like to be simplified. So let me just go around and paste it and press enter. And what happens is that it simplifies out the content right here just like this. So you can go around and provide complex information right here and then simplify it just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.